At VMek, we build high-tech machines for the agricultural industry. So we're focused currently on building machines that sort according to quality defects. Although we build machines, we actually view ourselves as a software company because the core of our technology really is in the software. My name is Kent Lavorne with VMek Sorting Technology, and I'm the general manager. Our current focus is on color sorting, which is where we can inspect falling product. One thing that we do different than other technologies on the market is, in addition to the physical separation, we give our customers data. So if a part's falling, we can inspect it and eject it from the stream, but then also get the individual part data on that, so the spatial information as well as color. The story of VMek is kind of based on my personal goals, I guess, in life. I went to school for mechanical engineering and loved to build things. But then over the years, I fell in love with software and high-speed machine vision. So really, VMek is kind of an expression of what I love to do, and then we've been able to build a customer base and then in turn build a business around that.
My name is John Gardner, and I'm the production manager here at VMek Sorting Technology. inFlow essentially is our purchasing department, allowing us to output uniform purchase orders, help us keep track of what's been shipped, what we're waiting on, what's been paid. But where we really utilize inFlow is in our production. Thanks to its inventory tracking capabilities, it allows me to know exactly what we have in stock and what we can build with that stock. I would definitely recommend inFlow for any business that, like us, has complicated builds, a lot of parts to manage, and needs a common link between all of their departments.